Filipinos definitely love to eat, and in any kind of celebration and simple gatherings, food is always present. And kita mga bisaya, dili ta palupig, basta pakals gane hisgotan, habhab gid na. And Cebu is home to some of the most delicious food in the Philippines. From barbecue, sisig, siomai, ngoyong, sinugba, squid, crabs and shrimps, pancit, pad thai noodles, ramen, lechon baboy and boneless belly, chicken burger fries, and how about some halo-halo, mango float, fruit shakes, and a lot more. Feeling hungry yet? What if all those food are found in one place? That would be heaven for us food lovers. And truly, heaven is on earth as we discover this perfect food place in Cebu at the market by Sugbo Mercado. From the biggest weekend food getaway of Sugbu Mercado in IT Park, now comes an everyday go-to food destination at the market by Sugbu Mercado, located in Mantawi Drive, North Reclamation area, Mandaue City, just beside MO2 Resto bar. The market by Sugbo Mercado is open on Tuesday to Sunday from 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. The market features close to 30 vendors that highlight a section of specials, allowing diners at the container van food park to savor a range of Japanese-inspired dishes, Chicago-style deep dish pizzas, traditional Cebuano specials, and various seafoods, desserts, coolers, and a lot more. And as they say, food keeps us together. Family get-togethers will never be complete without food. Unsa pa atong gipaabot, mangadto na ta sa The Market by Sugbu Mercado. It's PJ and tonight we're gonna check this place called The Market by Sugbu Mercado, located just across UC Med. So let's check it out!
Wow!
Aww.
Oh yeah.
Parker, pick up a copy with member. Peter Parker. Peter Parker, guys.
We're having spicy goreng and barbecue for dinner. Spicy goreng, favorite of our friend Carlo. for takeout. And of course, barbecue from Barbecue. Trying out this monster juice from Tropic Fruit Bar. Really big. And this has pineapple, orange, mango, and watermelon. Imagine that. All 4 fruits in one monster juice. Yeah. It has real fruits. Let's taste it. Let's taste it.
Wow.
Yeah, tastes good. Just finished eating here at the market by Sugbo Mercado, and we believe that this is a good alternative for instead of eating at fast food, why not eat here, because they offer a lot of variety of food. They have chicken, they have Japanese food, they have barbecue and all the grill, the seafood, and everything you have in mind at a very not so affordable but within the budget. They offer at least for 100 per head. So if you're also looking for your favorite food stalls, they are here, like the barbecues. They also have here the Tropic Fruit Bar, the Crib, what else? Apurado and Guadalupe Cocina. So if you guys are planning to eat out, this is a good place for you. You have a lot of options, and of course there is beer and there is free entertainment. They have live bands, and for now we are having the trivia on a Wednesday. So this place is open except on Sundays from 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. So you guys check out this place, the Market by Sugbo Mercado, just across UC Med. Alright, see you guys.